Now I'm here for trying to speaking English. So this is a tree. Now I'm going to study English very well because I have my baby who going to help me to speak and to know how can speak English. Thank you. Continue for watching. So this is Ngami TV.
Grandma Crispe. I come from Nohango. I want to help my father to speak English very well and knows English very well. English very well. When he go to school, when others they ask him English and be know it and answer them. But you speak English all of where you are. I'm coming to helping my father and I coming from Luhango to help my father to know English so that can know English as tool of communication so that when even can go in America can know the English or in Englishman's they can ask him some question like how are you and answer it that I'm fine. Also, we are going to tell you another things. Yeah, let me tell you. When you are going in English in America, when you don't know English, when you have even you can take your children to there at CS Amizero so that they can know English and get knowledge and and get the knowledge so that even can know English. Thank you. Let me end from here.
Hello friends, my name is Umuhire Clarisse. Make subscribe on Mwamini TV, share, comment, then we continue to upload many things. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, the meat are very the meat are very yum and are so okay for eating when you eat the fish and when you eat the goat and the meat of hens.
How do you know that is yummy? Do you know? Have you eaten the meat?
Yes, I eat the meat.
Tell me the one meat you have eaten.
Yes, I was eating the fish and I was eating the pork.
Pork. Okay.
Yes, the pork. The pork also is very.
A meat of pig. A meat of pig.
Yes, pig. The pig is when you take some of the pigs and
okay,
and
something that is
you eat. Oh.
Okay.
And
now
the hens also is very yummy.
Now, how do you know that the rice is not yummy when you are saying that?
Yes, also all of us that are very yummy, but the meat is very yummy because of.
How do you know that is so? How do you know that is so very yummy better than rice?
Yes, because of there are some vitamins. Because of some of the people, the young baby. Also, when you eat the fish, there are some of the vitamin D and the vitamin also as the meat for eating the meat
even
every day is very good.
Even eggs and the beans they have vitamins.
Yes, no.
Yes, they have even fish.
Is the meat very the vitamin greater than in beans. Yes.
No.
Okay. Even where you go,
those are beans that can make us to be strong.
Let me give you an example. So when you go in the ceremony, some of the people can stay on the meat. So they even know anywhere the person can stay on the beans because the meats are very yummy. When in the reception, when you go to take the plate on the restaurant, everybody must eat one of the meat. So the
But
beans
my-
can give you more than beans, and also the rice.
But when there is some restaurants which they cook rice,
Yes,
and
they
I give them.
They cook rice only.
No, they cook even this. There is sometimes they cook beans. Even them they have.
And
vitamins.
also when we pass in there, for giving you the meat it's very urge, and it's very extraordinary for eating the meat. And you also, I am speaking that the meat also your mouth is open, and also you like it. I understand.
No, even you like beans.
And also
Also, I might know that even you like beans. Even me, we don't. Everyone like beans
yes,
because
everyone
of vitamins.
also the meat, it's very wonderful. Also when you take the beans, also when you take
No, why are you saying? Okay. No, why are you saying that? Why are you saying my view? Why are you saying my view?
No.
Beans.
It's not my view.
Beans is not my view.
No, it's meat. Meat is very okay, because when you take the meat and the cassava bread, you take it's very yummy.
No, how do you know that is so very yummy?
There is no one can say that the beans, it's very yummy. The beans also is very cheap.
Also,
It's very cheap.
also there is
So
some.
the beans
Even
are
all sort of
very
food,
high.
all sort of is like it is going to be like meat, but even it is so very yummy.
Tofu is soya.
But is yummy.
When you are going to prepare a tofu, we use soya. Yes.
Yes,
When
but
you
it's the yummy.
but also the meat, it's
Is it for some animals?
yes, it's as from animals. Also, the animals eat the soya. Also, they produce getting more than all of that.
They eat them and so that they can get how they eat meat, so that you can get how you will eat meat.
Speak slowly. Yes, wakoze mwami TV muri kubona ko icyongereza mu minsi mike yandaba ndimo ndakivuga muri kubona ndiyandi gukubitaho ngire nongera nkubitaho ibintu byinshi, ariko abantu muri kubona ko Minervale itabe yapfuye ubusa. Ubu nanjye noneho ngiye kujya kuvuga icyongereza. So thank you very much, and also we'll continue next time.
Yes.
What is your name?
My name is Mwam Prestige.
So thank you for coming on Mwami TV, and we are very happy for coming here and introduce for all of the people coming from Mwami TV, and make subscribe and like, share, and the comment. Yes, tell us people encouraging for make subscribe on my channel.
Start on subscribe, share, comment, and we stay together.
So thanks. Ciao, ciao. This is Mwami TV.